Welcome to the shop. I'm Jared, and this is Wrench Every Day. Today we're actually not at Site B or in Florida. We're at GRC, place in Cleveland, Georgia, where we're going to start work on the Johnnie Rev muscle truck to prepare it for the suspension and engine swap. We've reaffirmed why the suspension is so shot. That wheel's straight, and that one's kind of pigeon-toed in and doing different things and just completely worn out. We've got to get the old International SV engine pulled out, and then we can start pulling the rest of the suspension apart, and we'll just keep on plugging away. Bosco, sit, lay down, bang. Don't worry, he's not really dead. And there we go. It's a little bit sad looking, but it is ready for the next step of our fabrication and build out. We always come up with good names for that. That's just the hole of opportunity. Sometimes you end up a little surprised. It's not going to be a pleasure to service. It's not going to be easy to ever install or remove, but it actually is looking like we are going to fit all the Corvette parts. We're gonna have to do some firewall clearance in this one spot. All right, so just because things started to go successful with the hammer, we decided to go ahead and hang the sheet metal and show how low we've managed to get that engine. It is so far inside the engine bay. Just the more we think about this truck, the more silly it gets and the more wonderful it is. A lot of work out of Randy and the guys from GRC. They've helped a ton. The big reason is he's got a lot of really fancy, nice fabrication tools and lots of really good experience. So I wanted to utilize him. So thank you.
You're welcome. Now get the damn thing in my shop.
The next step we've got to do is we've got to pull our broken spark plug boots off, and we're going to pull the exhaust manifolds off. What do you think, Fair? What do you think? We also have our shop helper, and so far all she's done is find every rag I was trying to use and then run around and play with it, right? Okay. We're heading to site GRC where we're gonna finish suspension fabrication and exhaust. Transmission cross members in. We've got all of our fluid lines back in, the transmission cooler and fuel pump. Our plan is to run the exhausts through here, and the mufflers will live about here like it used to. All right, so we've been at Controlled Motors for the day working on Johnnie Rev doing the exhaust fabrication. In spirit of the original system, we brought it just halfway back to the bed and did 90-degree turn downs. So you can kind of call this a street sweeper style. So we're gonna lower the truck, fire it up. Okay, key on. Pretty sure that's park. Okay, foot down. That means we're gonna do something questionable here just real quick. So, not doing burnouts before to, whoops. This is a questionable choice. So, let's just go and cruise the truck, because that's really what he's meant to do, go for a nice cruise. Enjoy the fruit of all of this hard work to make a nice running, mean sounding Johnnie Rev International Harvester pickup truck. You want to drive again, don't you?
Now my wheels in motion and my wheels